How to fix Fortnite FPS stuck at 60. Hey everyone, welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To fix your Fortnite FPS stuck at 60, there are a couple of things that you should definitely try. Firstly, navigate to your game files location or the game library. At the end of your Fortnite, you will see the three-dot icon. You need to select on it. It will pop up a list of options. From here, you need to navigate to the option of Manage. Tap on the option Manage. Then, from here, you need to select on the option of Verify. Once you tap on the Verify, it might take a while to verify and integrate all of your game files of Fortnite to check any of the error during installation. If not, the second step is to actually open up your Fortnite. Now in here, you need to check out the graphics or the display option. Go ahead and tap on rendering mode and change it to performance and lower graphic fidelity. It will help it to resolve some of the issue of your FPS stuck at 60 as it will take quite a less size. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.